Hey baby, good morning. Look at this handsome boy. Everyone's always asking about you, Kobe, but you're in every vlog, right? Look at the good boy. Give paw. Paw. Oh, thank you. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another vlog. Today is Tuesday morning. It doesn't feel like Tuesday. I'm not sure what day of the week it feels like, but it definitely does not feel like a Tuesday. I'm feeling very tired this morning, if you can't tell. I've been up since pretty much like 6 a.m. Don't ask me why. The past couple of days I've had a lot on my mind, and I'm the type of person where if I think about something, like literally, I don't even know, like the minute I wake up, my mind is already going. It's so hard for me to like just relax and like calm my brain almost, if that makes any sense. So I was not able to go back to sleep this morning, so I've already been up for almost 3 hours. I had my bone broth first thing this morning, probably about like 45 minutes ago. Now I'm going to get ready for a workout. I'm just gonna go do some Pilates in my condo gym, or actually I think I'll do it on the basketball side just because it's not in use right now. The basketball net has been broken for literally months. I don't know what my condo is doing, but they haven't fixed it yet. So maybe I'll do my Pilates workout there. So right now we need to go pick out a gym outfit. I recently just organized my gym clothes. Like, it probably still looks like a mess to you guys, but this shit was piled everywhere. So now I put it like this way, if that makes sense, so I can kind of like flip through them like this. I have so many sports bras. I actually think there's probably like at least 40 in here. It is a lot. So I don't know what I want to wear or what the vibe is for today. There's honestly been some new Muscle Nation that I have, so I'm thinking maybe I'll wear this. And then for shorts, maybe I'll go with these ones. They just happen to be on the top. It doesn't match like exactly. This is white and this is a little bit of an off-white, but like I could get away with it. I also need a pair of socks. So usually these are the ones that I like to wear. They're also from Muscle Nation. This is the full outfit for today. This is making me still look so tanned, even though I feel like I'm getting pale as the summer is going away. Shorts are the Zero Rise Everyday Midway shorts in the color Sahara. Right now, I don't know, they might be sold out or there's limited sizes just because Muscle Nation just recently had a huge sale, and these are somewhat old. I would definitely say at least a couple months old. They are a bit of an off-white color, but they're not really see-through. There's no front seam, and then the back is just the V booty scrunch. This bra is new. This is from the new Big City Life collection. I don't know if the Muscle Nation haul for this is posted already. If it is, I'll link it up above. If not, it's probably going to be the next video. I talk in so much detail about this. This is the contrast bralette in the color Aquatic. I love it so much. A little glimpse of the back. I love the cutout. It makes it feel super sporty. I love the color combination. It's super cute. Quickly just going to pack my bag. So I'm going to bring my tripod so I can record. I need my phone. I have my keys. Need to fill my water up a little bit more. I think I'm gonna need a new one of these Simple Modern tumblers soon because this one is starting to get so banged up. I don't know if you guys can even tell in the camera. And then the last thing I'm gonna bring is my mat and laptop, of course.
Can't hide how I feel about you. Nothing can take that away. 'Cause you make the world so beautiful, so beautiful. Oh my, I am tired. It's maybe like an hour later. Had a really good workout actually. I did the 25-minute full body Pilates, as you guys saw, and then I did just 10 minutes on the elliptical just to do a little bit of cardio, get my, you know, heart pumping. I don't think I recorded that part. Then I came back, took a body shower, had some breakfast, and now I actually just got a really exciting package from Ideaure Jewelry, and they actually are sponsoring today's video, so I'm so excited about that. They sent me over 3 pieces, and I'm not gonna lie, I already opened them because your girl was just way too excited, but the packaging is flawless, so I put it back all together so you guys can see the whole effect of it. Now, if you've never heard of Ideaure Jewelry before, it was created by 2 best friends. This jewelry brand was birthed based off of their love for crafting and making creative pieces. You can find any type of jewelry you're looking for on their website. They have rings, necklaces, earrings, bracelets, they have collections, they have sets. What's great about their jewelry is that it's made out of 100% 925 sterling silver, gold, and rose gold, as well as 14K plated gold. They really do pride themselves on being high quality jewelries, and they even set an environmental standard of being lead, nickel, and cadmium free, which makes all of their jewelry hypoallergenic. So if you are by chance allergic to metals, you can wear this jewelry. Let's unpackage. So you're getting a beautiful gift box, and then your jewelry is one in this little pouch, but it also does come with this premium cleaning cloth. So if you want to ever, you know, wipe down your earrings, your necklace, make it a little bit more shiny, you know, after wearing it for some time, you have that option. And kind of going back to that environmental standard that they set, all of their packaging is made from recycled material, which is amazing. I absolutely love that. Anything to help the planet out a little bit. So the first item is the Marsala tennis bracelet. I absolutely love tennis bracelets. If you've been around for a while, or at least like 2-ish years, for my 30th birthday, not this year, but last year, I was gifted a tennis bracelet by my husband. I never had one before, and I fell absolutely in love with it. So when I saw that they had this gold plated one, I was like, I need that. I love this bracelet because it just looks so timeless and classic. It does come in 2 different sizes, so you can get the 7.5 inch or the 9 inch. I went ahead with the 7.5 inch. I love this because it's at a very affordable price. From first impressions, the quality feels amazing. I can move it around. Kobe, my dog, what is he doing? He's wagging his tail. He likes the jewelry too. It's so beautiful. It is very thin, so I feel like you could get away with wearing it as everyday jewelry if you're just like to dress up a little bit, but definitely, you know, going to events and stuff, this is definitely a very affordable, beautiful piece to have on. Let's move on to the second item I got. Now these are the Nerissa, I hope I'm saying that right, Nerissa earrings. The girlies know having a staple gold earring in your jewelry collection or your jewelry box is a must, and I think I can speak for most girls. We got a ton of gold earrings, and these ones are so beautiful. This is a close-up of what they look like. It has this like hammered detail on it. I also think gold hoop earrings are perfect for fall. Like, I don't know why, it's just something about a cute fall outfit and some cute hoop earrings that are just like, I love. They're super easy to put on, like I'm not even looking in a mirror, and they just clip on the back side. This is a little bit of a close-up on what they look like. They are stunning. I love her. Ugh, I just love. And I just got my hair cut. It's so cute. And then last but definitely not least, I got the Brandy Heart necklace. So the necklace itself is beaded. And then as you can see here, it does have 2 heart charms on it. One is in silver and one is 14K plated gold. So you're getting that 2-tone effect. I'm just gonna take my other necklace off so I can put this one on. Now the necklace does come in 3 sizes. You can get it in 16 inch, 18 inch, and 20 inch. I did get it in the 18 inch because I just like, it's a happy medium, right? Like if I want to have it a little bit shorter, I can, and if I want it a little bit longer, I can have it longer also. That is literally stunning. I love it so much. So pretty. I feel like this is very like sophisticated looking because of like the beading almost, but at the same time it's very modern looking. Like it doesn't look like it's like old school or something like that. Now I do live just outside of Toronto, Canada, so shipping took about like a week and a half, but if you are in the US, good news, they do offer free shipping and you get it to your your door within about like 4 to 6 business days. But of course, there is like a little bit of a grace period, like 24 to 48 hours for them to actually send out the package. So overall, you're looking between like 1 to 7 business days. There is also different shipping options. So if you need it sooner or wherever you are in the world, just have a look on their website. Now, another thing that they did send me is their ring sizer. I have this issue, and so many other people I'm sure have this issue, is they never know what size ring they are. A girl like me, I got some fat fingers, okay? I'm not even gonna lie. My fingers vary. Like my ring finger is a 7.5, but then like my index finger is a 10, 9 or 10. So, I mean, you can really screw it up. So you can actually get these ring sizers directly on their website, and they are free. You just have to pay the shipping. Unless you are purchasing, you know, some jewelry, you can get this free. So I think this is a very cool idea and definitely much needed. It's so simple and easy to use. You just have to put it around your finger, make it a little bit tighter, and it's gonna tell you what size. Like I said, my index finger comfortably, it's literally sitting between 9 and 10. So your girl got some fat fingers. Now, Ideaure Jewelry did give me a discount code. You can use KD15 at checkout. If you guys have any questions about anything, let me know. Otherwise, your girl has to get on some work for the day, so let's go do that. Right now it's 1:17 and your girl's really hungry, so I made a very simple lunch. I'm really working on like budgeting and trying to save money, so I really want to use what I have. I had these tortillas that I bought last week. They're still good, and I still had turkey slices, so I figured yesterday when I was grocery shopping, I should make that as like a wrap or like a sandwich. Well, I guess it's a wrap. So what I ended up buying was cheese, lettuce, and tomatoes, and I have mayo in my fridge, and that is just like my super simple, fast, easy lunch. In one tortilla, I'm getting 2 grams of protein, so that's 4 grams there. Then I used 6 slices of turkey, so that's 15 grams of protein. So I mean, it's not super high protein, but again, I've been talking about this in a few of my vlogs. I've been eating a lot more smaller meals, so I'm eating a lot more throughout the day. So although my one meal I show you, for example, might not seem as high protein, when I do it all together, it's a high protein day. And it's also very colorful. I'm getting some carbs in from the wrap, I'm getting the protein from the turkey slices, and then I'm getting some micronutrients from the veggies that I threw in. I haven't made something like this in a while, so let's try it. I feel like I'm eating a taco. It's funny. Very good, very refreshing. I actually love shredded lettuce, but this is the first time I've ever bought it. I usually just get it when I get like subs or when I'm at a restaurant. So first time I got it myself. Just did some cleaning. Now I'm gonna take my makeup off, and don't mind the lighting. My main bathroom, it's like yellow light. I hate it. I also did just finish up the last episode of Lost season 6, the finale, and oh my freaking god. First of all, if you've never watched Lost and you kind of like that sci-fi kind of thriller mystery type of thing, you definitely will like this TV show. It's on Netflix. It's actually a really old show. I think it's
was like 2004, maybe even earlier when it started. And I remember at that time I watched it when it was on TV, but I stopped at like maybe season 4 or season 5, and I never ended up watching the last couple seasons or the last season. It was so weird. I was talking about it with Alan, like I just randomly thought about the show, and then I looked and it was on Netflix, and I was like, oh my freaking god. So I just spent like a month watching it, all 6 seasons, and wow. If you haven't watched it, like I said, you need to watch it. If you haven't watched it, obviously skip the next like minute because I'm gonna be giving some spoilers. Go, I'm giving you another second. All right, if you haven't gone yet, then you're asking for the spoilers, but oh my god, I literally bawled for like 20 minutes after the show because I just kind of didn't know what to expect. I was kind of thinking that they were dead the entire time, but that was not the case. Basically, everything that happened. Like, it was reality, but when it showed, you know, them back on Oceanic 815 and it felt like they never crashed, Kobe, it was actually their afterlife. It was just so well made. Everyone in their afterlife was like the opposite of what they were in real life. So for example, like Sawyer, he was like kind of like the bad boy of the show, like the bad guy. He was a con man, that kind of stuff. And then his afterlife was him being a cop. Or like Jack Shepherd, like he was a doctor, but he had like really bad bedside manner and that type of stuff. And in the afterlife, he had good bedside manners. There is also an epilogue, I think that's how you call it. It's like 11 minutes long. I just found it on YouTube. It's called The New Man in Charge, and it's just like 11 minutes of kind of talking about what happened after the show. It answers a few questions, but it also keeps you thinking like, oh my god, what else could have happened or did happen? So yeah.